guys. So pretty much we are in the thick of renovating. Things are moving along. There's a lot going on. So the carpenter is out. Pretty much he's been hired to do 3 days. So that's 3 days of woodworking. That's enclosing the shower, doing the fireplace, doing the carpet ceilings, doing the medallion. And I am so happy to be bringing that medallion back because I did love it. I love me a good detail in the ceiling. There's a lot going on. Y'all, it's so dusty. The house is so dusty. I didn't bring my camera. I have my phone, so I'm really recording on my phone. So there's going to be some areas where if you have an iPhone, I'm recording it regular, and then there's some videos where I'm pinching it to make it kind of zoom out a little bit so that way you can see the entire space. But I am in love with my closet. My closet is massive. You get my Stanley Cup? Oh. Nothing. Thank you. All right, you guys, we're gonna ride out.
So this is the beginning phase of framing. And pretty much he followed my outline that I had on the wall. And then we also did marking for electrical. Don't pay attention to any of this because now drywall is going to come out. So there's going to be a lot of excess holes that's added into the room. Making our way into the bathroom, we had a very short discussion and we both decided to cover the window. That way it would allow us to have a much longer vanity. Where you see that opening is where the tub used to be, and now we have the tub and shower over here. If you look at the original layout, you can see there was a shower, there was a double closet, and we just pretty much changed the entire orientation. We have a niche where the tub is going to be. We also have a niche where the shower is going to be. I will explain this more in another video. For now, I'm just pretty much showing the framing. Again, some of those holes is just to see where it lands in the other space and what we can do in moving things around. This part here, we're going to touch later. The bedroom, it's really just cosmetics all around in terms of the actual renovation that's happening. Our focus with this renovation really was just the primary bedroom. Overall, I'm extremely confident that this place is going to look amazing. Going back into the primary suite again, it's all in the details. Absolutely, positively love the fireplace. It is going to look amazing. We also added coffered ceilings, and you guys, it is really all in the detail. These little small things have assisted in the perfect sale of our previous homes. Also, let me just share, the medallion is going back up on the ceiling. This is one of the things that I missed in Savannah and I wanted to bring it back. I know a few of you guys were concerned about the pool. We have started the shocking system with it and it is coming clean. The guy told us to give him about 2 weeks. So as the process continues, I will definitely share with you the update. But so far, it still looks very scary. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, but it's nice to know that the boys are gonna have somewhere to go in the summer. All right, it is the end of my workday, and so all of this is done, and it's gonna stay like this for a while. I just wanted to get most of the heavy plumbing done. So as you can see, they done moved this to here. They done moved the tub and then this faucet. So everything's been moved and then everything's been moved over here. The bathroom is going to stay like this probably for about 5 months. I'm not going to touch it. And then the closet is going to get done Thursday. I think I shared before. I'm not going to cut the lights on, so please bear with me. The washer and dryer hookup is going to go here. And then closet system is going to go here. And then the floating shelves are going to go against this wall. They're going to house his shoes. So he's going to be able to go into both closets. And then again, the shower and tub combo I shared before. The whole renovation situation. I do not want to do a budget-friendly project, and so I want to take my time to make sure that everything that I want is what's going to be in the space, and so we cannot do everything at once. Now, what I did end up doing is, of course, adding trim, okay? And then I brought my ceilings back because I really love this feature in Savannah. I missed it, and so this space, considering I'm like, I know we're not going anywhere, I wanted to bring it back. I have the fireplace wall. I just did a built out on the entire span of the wall. Also, I have sconce lights that are going to be added here and here. Normally, I have my console table in here, but I cannot bring it back into this room, and so there's no space for it. And then the sitting room added in the coffered ceiling, which looks amazing. I cannot wait to have the light has to be moved because right now it's not really centered. I don't know if you guys can see that. It just needs a little hair move. And then electrical got done here, and so there is an outlet here now, here. This is the old one, so there's one on each corner. All right, the plan is to have 2 day beds in here. I already have them. They were in the basement. Now I'm going to implement them in here. Of course, you turn to go into this area. Shelving has been done. What's going to end up happening here is shelving, which I love. Always a good idea to add floating shelves. Instead of going all the way wood and plywood, I decided to do drywall. That way it would just be clean, and when I paint it, it would seem as if it's a part of the wall. Closet. The best part is you no longer see the toilet, which is what I did not want to see. I think if you buy a house, even if you can't do something super, super crazy or whatever, even a small little change where you're not seeing the toilet is good. Now, I will say this. I wanted the door to be a little bit more open, but he thought I was going to put a door here, and I left. This is why you should not leave your property. Okay, but I left, and he ended up doing it like this. But the great thing is my closet gets to go here and wrap around, here and wrap around, and then I get to have an island in the middle. I know it looks small, but it's quite big. Okay, it's quite big. Absolutely love it. And then, of course, like I shared to you guys before, at some point, this bathroom here will get done. It will match the primary, and then once this is done, I'm gonna have them close this off right here, so there will be 1 entry, 1 exit, or I may leave the door right there and put a lock on it. That way you don't have access into my actual closet. No one's gonna come in here anyway, but that's that. I'm really excited, and of course you get to see all of the zhuzh. I love it. I'm a trim girl. I don't care what y'all say. Y'all be like, Nadia, it's too much. For you, love. For you, not for me.
It's this angle.
Is this angle? Let me see.
Right here.
Okay. Hold on. Let me see. So my friend just told me, oh, it is this angle. Oh, yeah, I love it. Oh, my gosh. No, this looks good. I love it.
So good.
Y'all, I'm going home. It's 7:30. Me and my friend have been here working. Chris, you'll go close the other window down there. We have been putting up trim, doing a fireplace, doing the wall. We did not get the fireplace done upstairs, but we'll just have to do it in the next season of renovations. This was all I wanted to do with this renovation. So we went from a 3-plug to a 4-plug. So what's going to happen over the next week is drywall guy's going to come. He's going to fix all the remaining drywall, do all the patchwork. He's going to mud, sand, and then by Monday, the painter's going to come out and he's going to spray the entire room. Again, right now, I don't know if you guys can see, the house is really dark, but I'm sure once I brighten it up with some white paint, of course, change the carpet in here, it's going to brighten it up. But it's really dark. Even in the day,
the way the sun hits the house is doesn't give it as much light as I would like. And so I will be going in with the light color. I like light color anyway, so it doesn't bother me. But I'm not going to be doing anything too crazy in here. But yeah, I just love it. It just looks so good. But you were right. That entry,
Yes.
the angle looks really good. All right, you guys. I'm going to go. Have a really great day. Bye.